Good afternoon, students. Welcome to online class. In our last class, we see about the activity measure the radius and diameter of the following circles, and the exercise 1.4, fill in the blanks and find the diameter, find the radius of the circle. Okay, what is the diameter formula, ma? Very good. 2 into radius. And what about the radius formula? Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. And let us know and the activity. Okay, va? Now today we are going to see about the perimeter. Okay, va? 1.1.4. Take page number 10, ma. Okay, take page number 10. Identify the sides and find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. What does mean by quadrilateral, ma? Yes, quadrilateral mean all the sides are closed. If the shapes all the sides are closed means that is called quadrilateral. Okay, va? Now, how we can identify the sides? Okay, sides are, each line is considered as one side, isn't it? No, you already see here, each line is considered one side. Okay, va? Okay, we already see about the sides and quadrilateral. What about the perimeter? Perimeter means nothing, ma. Perimeter of the closed figure. Okay, va? That means closed shape. Okay, va, ma? Is the sum. Sum means addition. Okay, va? We want to add all the sides of the shapes. That's all. Okay, va? Perimeter means what, ma? Sum. Sum means addition. Sum of all sides. Okay, va? Perimeter means sum of all sides. We directly go to the example, ma. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Look at the first box. Here giving one shapes and here giving the measurement of AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay, va? These are considered as on sides, no? Sides equal to AB, this is one side. BC, this is second side. CD, this is third side. DA, fourth side. There are four sides. All sides are closed, so this is considered as, okay, all sides are closely having, so this is quadrilateral. Okay, now perimeter. Perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So we want to add all the sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, we are AB. AB means we want to substitute what? 3. Okay, so 3 plus plus. Now BC. BC for 6 centimeter. So 6 plus plus. CD. CD for here given 8 centimeter. So just to put 8. 8 plus plus. Now DA. DA. DA equal to 2. So 2 equal to. Now we want to add this 4 numbers. Okay, mama. Okay, first 2 numbers, ma. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. 8 plus 2, 8 after 2 number, 9, 10. Now 10 plus 9, 19. So perimeter equal to 19 centimeter. That's all. Just we want to add all the sides. Okay, wow. Now look at the second sum. Yes. What is this? Square. In square all the sides are equal. Okay, mama. So PQ 8 centimeter means QS also 8 centimeter because all sides are equal only, no? Okay. Then SR also 8 centimeter. PR also 8 centimeter. Understood, Amma? Okay. Therefore, perimeter of the square equal to, first we want to write the sum of the sides. PQ. This is a must, ma. Okay. Okay. First write the step. Then after substitute the value. Okay. Don't forget to write this. Write the name of the sides. Okay, Vama. This is must. Okay. PQ. This is first term. PQ plus QS plus SR plus RP. Okay, va? All the sides also 8 centimeter. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, wow. Now we want to add all the 4 numbers. 8 plus 8 what ma? 16. Here 8 plus 8, 16. Now 16 plus 16, 16 plus 16. 6 plus 6, 12. So put 2 here, 1 remainder. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? 30. Perimeter of the square equal to 32 centimeter. Understood, Amma? Okay. This is also you want to write. Okay, wow, because in question they are giving only 1 centimeter. Okay. So in the given square all the sides are equal. Okay. Write the first step. Then after you want to write 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter in remaining 3 sides. Then after only you want to write the perimeter of the square equal to. Okay, Vama. Now, this is just example, ma. Okay, va. Now, what is this? Very good. Rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are only equal. Okay, first opposite sides are equal. Write the first step. Then after, what are the opposite side? What is the opposite sides of ON? Very good. LM. So, LM equal to 9 centimeter means ON also 9 centimeter. What is the opposite of OL? NM. So, here 3 centimeter means here also 3 centimeter. Understand, Amma? Then after write perimeter equal to. Okay, perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So, LM plus MN plus NO plus OL. Okay, this is L, ma. Printing mistake, OL. Then after LM equal to 9 plus MN 3 plus ON equal to, NO equal to 9 plus OL 3. So 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3. Okay, Mama. Okay. Now 9 plus 9. Very good. 18. 3 plus 3. 6. Now 18 plus 6 what, ma? 18. 6 we want to put in last digit. Before you put 0. Plus. 8 plus 6 what? 8 plus 6 what, ma? 14, ah? Okay. Put 4 here. 1 remainder. 1 plus 1? 2. So 24 centimeter perimeter equal to. Okay, va. Now fourth example. Here giving W, X, Y, Z. Okay, va. You directly go to the perimeter because here giving all the 4 sides of the measurement. Okay, va. First WX. WX is the first. Okay, va. W, X, Y, Z. So WX plus XY plus YZ plus ZW. ZW, ma. Okay, mama. First WX, then XY, YZ, ZW. Here also printing mistake. All the sides are equal. So, equally giving so 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, va. You already learned in your before class. This is a repeated addition. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the 7 is repeating. So 4 sevens are very good. 28. This is, isn't it? No. So 4 sevens are perimeter equal to 28 centimeter. Understood, Nama? Okay. Now exercise 1.5, ma. This 5 sums here, A they are giving 5 sums and B they are giving 5 sums. Totally 10 sums having. This 10 sums also you want to work out in your max note. Okay, mama. Find the perimeter of the following square. First put exercise 1.5, then A perimeter, find the perimeter of the following figure. This is write in stick pen, then write the question, then after write the formula. Okay, Mama. Now first question. Okay, ma. Now exercise 1.5a, find the perimeter of the following figure. First figure is. Okay, ma. First write the sides, ma. This is the question. Put the solution. Sides. What are the sides having here? AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, ma. And then now we want to find the perimeter. So write perimeter. Perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Equal to, write this. Then after AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, Mama. Now AB equal to what? 8 cm. AB equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 plus BC equal to 3. 3 plus CD equal to 5 plus DA equal to 6. Understand, Amma? Okay. Now we want to add this 4 numbers. Perimeter equal to, now you add this number, ma. 8 plus 3 what? Very good. 8 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 8 after, 9, 10, 11. 11. 5 plus 6. This also what? 11. Okay. Now 11 plus 11. Very good. 22. So perimeter equal to 22 centimeter. That's all. Put the box. You must be put the final box. To the final answer. That's all. I once again explaining. This is the question. Put the solution. First you want to write the sides. Okay, va? AB for your clarification. AB, BC, CD, DA. Then after perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Okay, va? Then equal to AB plus BC, CD, DA. AB 8 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter, DA 6. Then after you just do the addition. That's all. Okay, ma. First sum I already done for you. Second sum and third sum is your homework. Okay, mama. Then I am going to fourth sum. Here look at this, ma. Yes, this is a square. So PQRS. They are giving the name of the sides. Then PQ equal to 11 centimeter. In square, we already know that in square all the sides are equal. So right here. Square, all the sides are equal. Okay, va? All the sides are equal means here also 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. I already explained in your example sum, isn't it? No. So take the pencil and put 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. Okay, mama, this are all the one under answer only. First, write the sides. Sides equal to, what are the sides having here? PQ, PQ, QR, RS, SP. Okay, ma. Then after same like that, write the perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Okay, ma. Perimeter equal to sum. Sum means addition, sum of all the sides. That means we want to add all the sides. Understand, Amma? Okay, equal to. Now, do the addition. PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay ba? Then all the sides are equal only, no? So here 11, 11, 11, 4 times only you want to write. Okay Mama? Now write the final answer. Perimeter equal to, here how many times the 11 is continuing repeating ma? 1, 2, 3, 4 ah. So 4 11s are very good, 44. So 44 centimeter. Okay ba? This is the final answer. Put the box. That's all ma. In your question only 111 centimeter only giving ma, but this is square no, so we are considering in square all the sides are equal. Okay ba? So remaining 3 sides also 11 centimeter only want to come. So first write this and then as usual do the sum. Understand ma? Okay. Okay ma, now I am going to fifth sum. Okay ba? What is this? Very good, rectangle. In rectangle all the sides are equal ah? No, only opposite sides are equal. So write here in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay ba? Okay. What is the opposite of GH? EF. So here 10 centimeter means here also what? 10 centimeter only. Now what is that? Now we want this measurement of EH, isn't it? No. What is the opposite of EH? Very good. FG. So here 5 centimeter means here also 5 centimeter only come. Okay mama, because this is the opposite sides. Okay. Then after put the solution, then sides equal to, what are the sides having here? EF, EF, FG, GH, HE. Then you already know that perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Then put equal to, then do the as usual procedure. EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. Okay va? Then put equal to. EF what ma? 10 plus FG 5 plus GH 10 plus HE 5. Then write the final answer. Perimeter equal to do the addition ma. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 5 plus 5, 10. Now do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 3. What is the answer ma? 30 centimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle equal to 30 centimeter. Put the box. Understand ma? In before sum that is a square. So in square all the sides are equal. Okay, but in this fifth sum this is a rectangle. So I am writing the same measurement of the opposite sides. Then after do the same procedure. Okay ma, that's all. Okay ma, now I am giving the homework for you. Second sum and third sum is your homework. Okay mama, here itself all the sides measurements are giving ma. You just write the sides, then after perimeter equal to sum of all the sides, then equal to do the as usual this process. Second sum, third sum is your homework. Now B, solve the following. First sum, a sum of the square. What shape ma? Square. In square all the sides are equal. Okay. A side of square shaped sandbox in Gandhi Park measured 30 centimeter. Here itself giving 30 centimeter. But only one measurement are giving ma. fourth sum order. Okay, so one side 30 centimeter means remaining three sides also what? 30 centimeter only, because this is a square. In square all the sides are equal. Okay va? Look here ma. First put the box, then after put 30, 30, 30, 30. In square all the sides are equal. Then perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Then do the as usual process. Okay. In a word problem, you must be write the final answer this like perimeter of the sandbox is 120 centimeter. Understand amma? Okay. So underline the square and 30 centimeter ma. Okay. Ma, put B A over A. So what sum over means please draw the line. Okay ba? Then B solve the following A. First sum. Okay. Question you must be refer the bookmark. Okay, I directly go to the answer. I already explained the question for you. Okay, this is a square. First draw the square. Take a pencil and then draw. Okay, va? You itself put the name A, B, C, D. Okay, va? There how many centimeter giving? 30 centimeter. Okay. So here first write ma. In square, this is a square no. So in square, all the sides are equal. Okay, mama. So here 30 centimeter means remaining three sides also 30 centimeter. This diagram you must be drawing pencil. Okay, va? So I am directly go. Now we want to find the perimeter. So write perimeter. Perimeter equal to what? Yes, sum of all sides. Equal to. Okay. So you already know about the sides, isn't it, no more? So I am directly going to the answer AB plus BC. BC plus CD plus DA. This is only four sides. Okay, va? So all the sides are equal. All the sides measurement is 30 centimeter. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Now final answer. Perimeter equal to. Okay, va? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, va? Now 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 3s are 12. So before you put 12. So 120. 120 centimeter. Okay, mama. Put the box. Put the box this like okay. Then after write the final answer because this is a word problem now. So you want to write the final answer. Perimeter of, this is a sandbox. So perimeter of sandbox is 120 centimeter. Is that clear for you, ma? Are you understand this question? Okay, ma. First put the diagram. Then in your right side, in square all the sides are equal. That one write it, ma. Then as usual, sum of all sides. That's all. Okay, ma. First question over and now second question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Underline the rectangle whose sides are 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is a fifth question model. Okay, ma. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So here 12 centimeter come, here 8 centimeter come. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. So here 12, 12, here 8, 8. Okay, va? And then write the perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Look here, ma. First draw the rectangle this like, then A, B, C, D. Okay, then 12 centimeter. Underline this 12 and 8. Here this is a big line. So here put 12, here put 8. Opposite sides are equal. So here 12 means here also 12. Here 8 means here also 8. Perimeter equal to sum of all sides. A plus B, AB, sorry, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Then 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8. Then do the addition. Then write the final answer. Perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeter. Okay ma? Is that clear for you? Okay. Okay ma? Second sum ma? I am already underlined the word rectangle. So first draw the rectangle. I am mentioning the name ABCD. Okay ma? They are giving a 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter also. This is a length line. I am putting 12 centimeter here. This is a short line. So 8 centimeter here. First write in rectangle opposite. This is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. Okay. So write in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Write a hint. Okay ba? So this is opposite to this. So here 12 centimeter means here also 12 centimeter. Take the pencil and draw the diagram. Okay. So now we want this measurement. So this is opposite to BC. So here 8 centimeter means here also 8 centimeter. Okay ma? Then we want to find the perimeter. So write perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter equal to sum of all sides equal to what are the sides? AB. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay va? AB 12 centimeter. So 12 plus BC 8 centimeter plus CD again 12 centimeter plus DA 8 centimeter. Then write the final answer. Perimeter equal to, okay ba? 12 plus 12 what ma? Very good. 24. 8 plus 8? 16. Do the addition ma? Now 24 plus 16. First step. 4 plus 6? Very good. 10. So 0 here. 1 remainder. Okay. Now 2 plus 1? Very good. 3. 3 plus 1? 4. So what is answer? 40 centimeter. Put the box. Understood amma? Okay. Now take the black stick pen and write the final statement. Perimeter of rectangle. So write perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeter. Take the stick pen and write this. Is that clear for you ma? Are you understand this? Okay ma. Okay ma. Now third sum. Third sum. Find the perimeter of triangle. Okay va? Whose sides are, underline the triangle, whose sides are 13 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Okay ma? This is your homework. Try this. Okay va ma? I'm on second explaining. See, this like you want to put the triangle ma. Okay va? Because then after here giving the 3 measurement. This is 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter. This is a 5 centimeter. Okay. Here all the measurements are giving. So you directly go to the perimeter. Perimeter equal to sum of all sides equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Okay ma? Equal to AB 13 plus BC 5, CA 14. Okay ma? You want to add this 3 number. Final answer is 32. So perimeter equal to 32 centimeter. Then take the black pen and write the final answer this like. Perimeter of, find the perimeter of triangle only here giving no. So perimeter of triangle is 32 centimeter. This is your homework. Okay, you itself done ma. Then I am going to the fourth question. I am already here giving the two sums. 1, 2. And this is a third sum. Totally I am giving 3 sums homework. Okay, va? Now, fourth sum, adjacent side of parallelogram. Underline the parallelogram are 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay, Vama? Now you draw the parallelogram. I am giving third sum homework. So I am going to fourth sum parallelogram. They are giving so first draw the parallelogram. Then after put P, Q, R, S. Okay. That is giving that 2 centimeter. So 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter I am taking. Okay, Vama? We already know that in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Isn't it? No. So write the hint here. So opposite sides are equal means opposite sides also coming the same measurement only. No. Okay. So here 6 centimeter means here also 6 centimeter. So here 7 centimeter means here also 7 centimeter. Same like that rectangle. Okay, Mama, understood? So we know the 4 sides measurement also. So next going to perimeter. We want to find the perimeter now. So perimeter equal to sum of all sides equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay. Then what is the PQ measurement? PQ 6 plus QR 7 plus RS 6 plus SP 7. SP 7. Okay, va? Equal to perimeter equal to 6 plus 6. Very good. 12. 12 plus 7 plus 7. 14. If you have the same number means first add the same number. This is very easy for you. Okay, 7 plus 7, 14. So, and then add this 2 number. 2 plus 4 what ma? 6. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the answer? 26. Put the box. Take the scale and pencil. Put the box. Okay, va? And then same like that, write the final answer. Perimeter of the parallelogram is 26 centimeter. Okay, Mama? That's all. Okay, Ma? Now, fifth question. Find the side of the trapezium. So, underline the trapezium. Underline the trapezium measures 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now same like that we want to find the perimeter. Okay, Vama? Okay. Okay, fifth sum. Which like you draw the trapezium, ma? This like put the 2 lines. Then join this. This is a trapezium. Okay, va? Then put the name ABCD. Question itself they are giving the centimeter. Isn't it now? Okay. 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. Okay, Mama. 8, 7, 5, 4. Okay. We are in question itself. They are giving the 4 measurement. So I am directly going to the perimeter equal to. Same like that, same process. Okay, ma? Okay, ma? Perimeter equal to sum of all sides equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Then third step, substitute the value. AB 8 plus BC 5 plus CD 4 plus DA 7. Okay, ma? Then add the 4 numbers. You getting the final answer 24. So perimeter equal to 24 centimeter. Put the box and then take the stick pin and then write the final answer. Perimeter of trapezoid is 24 centimeter. That's all, ma. This exercise is over. I am giving the 3 sums homework for you. First, in A section, I am giving a second sum and third sum, and in B section I am giving the triangle sum. Totally 3 sums homework mark. Okay ba? But you want to write this all the 10 sum in your note. Okay ba ma? Thank you.